In this episode of M squared M cubed or 2, let's work through the math of an example of circle segment area. Remembering, if we start with the sector, which could be this whole piece of pizza-shaped area, if we subtract the triangle, which is always 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle, we'd be left with the segment. Remember, the area of the segment will fall between this chord and this arc. So let's make that bright orange, and we see this is the answer we are trying to get right here. So let's start with the math. Here are dimensions of the height of the triangle in red, the base of the triangle in green, our radius of the circle, and our theta angle here, our central angle. So we're going to start with our sector, which has to be pi radius squared times the degrees of the circle over, the degrees of the sector over the degrees of the circle. You multiply this through, you get 10.1563 pi. Remember, you can pause, put that in your calculator, make sure it matches up. If you multiply times pi using the function on your calculator, you'll get the area is 31.9068. Since we're in centimeters, that is square centimeters. And now we have to get the area of the triangle, which we put at the top, is 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So that's going to be 1/2. We have a base that is 8, it's laying outside, and a height which is 6. So that's going to be 24 units. So to finish this up and find the circle segment area, we're going to take our 31.9068. You never round until the last step. So I'm leaving all those values there, and there's probably more even in my calculator. Subtract the 24 for the triangle, and that means your circle segment area is 7.9068. So let's just round that and say it's about 7.9 centimeters squared.